In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix buffering on a Crunchyroll app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've installed the Crunchyroll app. The first and foremost thing is you need to make sure that you are connected to the internet and make sure that you have stable internet connection. If you are still having the buffering issues, on your phone, open up the settings. Now search for the app section. Go to apps. Here you will see the list of apps. Find the Crunchyroll app from here. Tap on it. In this app info page, scroll down to the bottom and here you can see the storage option. Tap on it. At the bottom right corner, you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it. This will clear the cache memory of your Crunchyroll app. If you still face issues, you can go back and here you can see the force stop option. You can try this. You can tap on it and tap on OK again. Now you need to restart your phone. And another method is you can go to your Play Store, search for Crunchyroll, open up the apps page. In this page, instead of this open option, sometimes you might also see the update option. If you see that you need to update this app, you can simply click on that update option and your app will be updated. You can try out these various methods in order to fix buffering on the Crunchyroll app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.